Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to explore GitHub like a pro in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this guide will help you discover amazing projects, connect with developers, and level up your coding skills. Let's get started. First, let's optimize your GitHub profile. Use a professional profile picture, write a clear bio highlighting your skills, and add links to your portfolio or social media. A well-optimized profile helps others understand what you do and makes it easier to network. Next, familiarize yourself with GitHub's navigation. Your home dashboard shows updates from repositories you follow. Use the Explore tab to discover trending projects and topics. Check pull requests and issues to see ongoing collaborations. Don't forget the stars section. You can save repositories you like for later. Now let's explore repositories. Use the search bar to find projects by keyword or programming language. Filter by stars, activity, or trending to locate high-quality projects. Always check the README file. It explains what the project does, how to use it, and how to contribute. Look at issues and pull requests to see real-time development activity. GitHub topics are a great way to discover projects in your area of interest. For example, search #machine learning or #web development. Visit the trending page to see what's popular daily or weekly. GitHub will also recommend projects based on your activity, so keep exploring. Don't just explore, engage. Follow developers whose work you admire, star repositories to bookmark them, or fork projects to experiment safely. You can also submit pull requests, report issues, and join discussions to connect with the community. Collaboration is key to growing your skills. For advanced users, GitHub offers tools like code spaces to code online, actions to automate workflows, and projects and boards to track tasks. Use insights and security tabs to analyze repository health and see contribution trends. These features make GitHub a complete platform for coding and collaboration. Finally, hands-on practice is the best way to learn. Clone a repository using git clone, try creating branches, make commits, and push changes. Explore open source issues and see if you can solve them. The more you interact, the more confident you become. And that's it. Now you know how to explore GitHub effectively in 2025. Start discovering projects, collaborating with developers, and building your coding portfolio today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!